Hello and welcome. This is Jeff Meland doing a video that will demonstrate a couple things about the Meland.org website and the family tree information. So I have on the screen here the Meland.org website, www.meland.org. First thing I'm going to point out here is the login on the right. You can browse the website without logging in, but if you don't log in, you won't see information from the family tree research that Arlene Kenny and Mike Kenny have done. So you may want to log in if you want to see that information. If you just want to see more recent things that have been put on, you don't have to log in. Okay, but it says you right here on the screen here how to log in. Log in as username Meland. Password is the first word of the town name the Nils Meland family lived in during the 1930s, all lowercase. So that's where you log in right over here. I'm going to do that if I can. So Meland is a username, and it's one word, the name of the Minnesota town. The Meland family lived in the 1930s. It's all lowercase. That one word is all lowercase. Okay, I click the login button, and now I'm logged in because it says welcome Meland, and it says there's this log out here. That means I'm logged in if there's a log out link. Okay, now if you want to find a person in the family tree information, go up to the search box and type in the name. I'm going to type in Paul's name, and I did not hit enter. I just typed the name. Okay, now there's a lot of different posts that have been put on here, mostly by me, about Paul Meland, my son. Okay, now this first item here is not one of those posts that I've put on, but it is the page for Paul that was created from the family tree information from Arlene. So if I click on it, I'll show you what I mean here. Because we have imported all of the family tree information from Arlene into the Meland family website. Okay, so here's Paul's page, and all this stuff is stuff that Arlene typed in. And if I scroll down here, we will also see links to his parents and grandparents, and if we scroll down further, we'll see more family information. Okay, now none of this is visible if you're not logged in. For people who have passed away, the information is available. It is visible even if you do not log in. But for people who are still living, there's a privacy concern. We don't want to have to deal with identity theft and things like that. So all of the privacy settings for people alive are set to private, so you have to log in to see that. Okay, now you can click around here. If I want to go over to Ruben's page, I just click on his name there, or I could have found him by going and typing his name into the search box in the upper right. Okay, and all of this here information here, again, this is information that Arlene has put in. And it was imported in from her information. And then we see the tree information here, ancestors, his parents, grandparents, and we can click on those and then see a page similar to this page. And we see descendants here as well. We can click on those. So everything is tied together. We don't have a large tree to look at within this website. You can see that on Ancestry.com because I've imported the information from Arlene again into Ancestry.com as well. I don't think we've really added any information from Ancestry, so the value of having it on Ancestry is not not that great probably. If there was information that Arlene did not have that was on Ancestry, then Ancestry.com would be helpful. But I think she's done a pretty thorough job of gathering things. Although she is working on the Olson side of the family, so there may be some things out there that she doesn't have. I don't know. Okay, now a couple other things I just want to point out real quick here. This website's been in existence for 5 years or more, maybe 10. Mark Meland started it, and I've kind of taken over some of the hosting, but Mark still works on it too. We both kind of work on it. Everything you see here in the recent posts section here, that is stuff that's not from Arlene's information. These are things that I've posted and that Mark has posted and a few other people have posted, and if any family member wants to put posts on here, they're welcome to do that. Just give me a call or send me an email. The archives down here a little bit further are all of those posts grouped in a timeline. So if I want to see posts that were put out here in July 2008, there's one. I can click on that and show you what that is. I don't know what it is. I'll just click on it and we'll see. As soon as that comes up. Brennan films leopard sharks in San Diego. So that's a post that Mark put on way back there, July 2008. And there's the video. Okay. The other pages here, family tree page, it's just basic information about kind of what I'm telling you here. It's got the how to log in on it, and a little bit of information about what we're doing. Photos is just a page with some of the old photos on, but we can put photos in blog posts as well. So this photos page doesn't have to be the page where everybody puts photos. So I think really putting photos within blog posts makes sense. We can also put photos on family tree pages, and that's something that I should show you that real quick. So also there's a blog page. This is the list of posts or articles that have been put on in chronological descending order, so the most recent ones are on the top. So this is the most recent post that was put on January 23rd, which is today. And it's a video it's not a new video, it's a video that Mark got digitized and posted to YouTube just within the last few days, and then I think I just posted this onto this site here and it's hosted on YouTube and it's just embedded here. So, but the blog page just gives you, like I said, a list of everything that's been put on here. And it's recent stuff on the top, and as you scroll down it's older. Okay. So here's Christmas was not that long ago. There's November 2011. I'm scrolling up now. My computer's just really slow. Okay. So the other thing I want to do, when you go to the search box and you type something in, okay, I'm going to type in my name and see what comes up. I did not hit the enter key. I just typed. That way you'll get this drop down. If you do hit the enter key, you'll see everything over in the middle instead of this drop down. But I'm going to go to my family tree page, which is the information imported from Arlene's research. Okay, it'll be coming up here. It's kind of slow. Come on. And I want to show you one thing here. This information up here is information that can be edited and changed and added to. Everything from this profile picture and down is the information that came from Arlene. So if I wanted to add something to this page, which could be text or pictures or even an embedded video, I'll go up to the top here, click edit page, and it's going to bring me to a a screen where I can edit the information for this page. Okay, and it's right here. Okay, now this line right here, the second line, that has to stay in there. Otherwise it'll destroy the page's information from Arlene, the stuff from the family tree. So you want to leave that in there, but you can type up here, you can type, type here. And you can put photos in here by clicking on this upload link, add media, or you can embed videos. Well, you would, but the only thing you'd use this for is for adding photos. To embed video, you would copy the embed code from the YouTube site, from the video, and just paste it in here. Okay, but you can add stuff if you want to add more to what Arlene said. Oh, you can type it here. But like I said, leave this line alone because that needs to stay there. And then you just click the update button, like I did there on the right. Okay, and I'm waiting for it to update. And it's updated, and now I can click View Page. As soon as the page loads, put this one in, and then I'll see what I've changed, and I'm back on the website again. Okay. And to log out, you can click log out. You don't have to log out really if it's on your PC that's safe and nobody's going to come in and destroy anything. You can stay logged in if you want to, and it'll probably keep you logged in as long as your PC is on. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.